Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes C-Class AMG line Sport with a lot of extras on it. So we've got the front park distance control, AMG body styling kit, the lovely upgraded double spoke alloy wheels, rear park distance control, does have a camera as well, nice bigger diffuser. It's a 220d, so it's a proper Mercedes engine. There you go. Obviously the panoramic roof, it's a big extra that is on these cars. You can see the boot area is in lovely condition. Electric boot as well. A leather interior, absolutely superb condition. Got electric mirrors, electric windows, electric seats, heated seats, auto headlights, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift on the steering wheel, facelift model, so it's push start. Got the satellite navigation, reverse camera, Bluetooth connectivity, iDrive, different ways of starting it, driving it, sorry, dynamic, sport plus in comfort, Bluetooth connectivity, cruise control, electric steering wheel, really is fully loaded, panoramic roof, tilts and slides. DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please call 07503 751 005. Thank you.